Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today you can see from the title bar that recently Nykaa had his Pink Friday sale, which is Nykaa's biggest sale of the year. Like they gave discounts up to 70% and things were really at much affordable prices. All the good and products were at affordable prices. Now I personally didn't have much things to buy because I had no idea that this sale is coming. So I did a huge shopping just last month and I realized that इन्होंने तो सेल डिक्लेयर कर दिया और मैंने पहले ही शॉपिंग कर ली. But still I saw some products that I really wanted to try out, but I did not buy before, and they were available at really affordable prices, so I had to give it a try. And so yeah, I have these two small boxes with me, and I have not shopped much things, so yeah, I'll be sharing with you all what all I got for Nykaa, like from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. Now, before beginning the video, if you are seeing my face for the very first time, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn that red button to gray and don't forget to smash the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And so I'll be opening this box first. I have few items in this, and this one is a black box. Actually, Nykaa has some of its items which are like luxury. So it comes from Nykaa's luxury store. So if you order any item from that particular company, it comes in a black box like this. So I'll be coming to the black box later. I'll be, using, showing the normal Nykaa box first. Okay. So to begin with, I got this Maybelline Super Stay Matte foundation. This one I have heard a lot of reviews, good reviews about it. I personally used to use the Fit Me one. I really did not use this, but I heard that it's very nice and it has very good coverage and it lasts long, so I had to try this. And now the actual MRP of this is 750 rupees, but I got it for 499 rupees, and when I saw the price that it's 499 rupees, I was like, I have to get it. And after that I have used it, as you can see from the packaging that I have used it, and oh my god, seriously, it deserves all the good like reviews that have been given to this. I mean, even if you buy this for 750 rupees, it's worth it. I mean, I can really, like, I feel its quality can be easily compared with the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I mean, if you want something on the affordable side, you can definitely go for this. This is amazing coverage, and like it covers all the pigmentations and blemishes on the very first go. Like if you have very deep pigmentation, very dark spots, then it might not work on the very first go, but it's buildable, it's easily buildable, so no worries for that. You can go with 2-3 layers if you want. But like my pigmentation are not that dark, so yeah, it covers it effortlessly. I mean, effortlessly. It blends very nicely in your skin and it stays long, like long. So you should definitely, now the sale is over, but still there are discounts going on Nykaa and especially on Maybelline, so you can definitely give it a try. Okay, so next up, I got another product from Maybelline. I got this Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. And like me, I actually am not so much, experimenting with eyeliners and mascara. For mascara, I trust Maybelline. I've always bought mascaras of Maybelline. I don't want to try anything else because that works perfectly for me. So I don't want to buy unnecessarily other things. And same for the liner. I used to use the Lakme's Insta liner, but my liners are over, so I wanted to have something. When I checked out for Lakme's Insta liner, it was already out of stock, because at 99 rupees or 110 rupees, it is a very, very good liner. So most of the time it's out of stock. So I thought, okay, let's try something else. So I got this one, and this one is super duper good. I mean, this one is just so black, like so black. It, like, on the very first, you just need one stroke and you are done. You are just done. You don't need a second layer of it or something. At one stroke, it's just jet black. So yeah, you like should definitely go for it. I don't remember the price, so I'll be mentioning all the what prices, like actual MRP and the discounted prices, in the description box below, so you can check it out there. And I'll be also mentioning all the products in the description box below, so in case if you want to buy, looking seeing my review, so then you can go ahead. Okay, now next up I have this Maybelline's gel liner. Now I have heard really good reviews about it, that it is one of the best gel liner. Okay, so my doggy is here. Okay, sorry, actually my dog came in the room, and he was, playing with all the wires and everything of the camera and the microphone, so I had to take a break. Okay, so I was talking about this Maybelline's gel liner. Okay, so it comes in a small packaging like this, and you open it and it has this product inside. I won't say it's a very a lot of product, but this one is really, really, really awesome. If people are saying this is one of the best affordable gel liner, then they are not wrong. I mean, this is awesome. I just fell in love with this. I mean, these two eyeliners, like, these are my new favorite. I'm just gonna buy this. And of course I'm not gonna leave Lakme because these are on a more expensive side, so I won't be using it on a daily basis. But for any occasion, or if you are having any photo shoot or something, you want your eyes to pop up and get that perfect winged cat eyes, that liner, so that everybody is attracted towards your eyes. You just need to get these two liners. They're just fantastic. Okay, so moving onwards, I got this two foundations. This is by Lakme. Lakme's 9 to 5 primer plus matte foundation. So yeah, about this also I heard very good reviews, because I really had terrible experiences with Lakme foundations, because I don't know. First of all, they did not have a shade for my skin. They had a very limited shade range. The foundation used to be cakey, and I don't know, it had a very weird smell in it. So for me, Lakme foundation experience was not really good. So, but after I saw that they have come with so many shade ranges, which was really exciting. And I was excited that, okay, finally Lakme realized that they need to get more shade ranges, so they got shade ranges for every skin tone, which is good. And they also come with this neutral and warm, like N200, warm 240. So that is another thing, like MAC feeling, that they have improvised it so nicely, and I'm really impressed. Now this one retails for 475 rupees each, but on sale I got it for 299 rupees each. Now I got two because I was confused with my shade. Obviously, like every time, I think it happens with a lot of people. So I got two of them, which I was thinking might be my shade, or if both of them are not my shade, I'm going to mix or and match and do something, at least if I have two shades. And they were at 299 rupees each, so I was like, okay. Now this warm 240, which is warm beige, worked perfectly for me, but this neutral 200, that is neutral nude, is slightly on a bit what to say, I forgot the term, cooler side. So yeah, that is why I don't know what to do with this. I'll do something with it, obviously, but this one has perfectly matched me. And guys, you need to try this foundation. If you want to buy some foundation which is going to be long lasting, plus if you have oily skin, you want a matte foundation, you should definitely go for this. I mean, oh my god, this is just for 475 rupees, but the quality is awesome. The coverage is so good. It's like medium to full coverage foundation at 475 rupees. Lakme, like I'm just so excited. I'm so happy. Lakme, you finally, and the best part is that it doesn't have that typical Lakme product smell. It has a very nice sweet fragrance, which is again a very good thing. But the only thing I don't like about is this very, I don't know, this one is very, it's not at all sturdy. It's very like, it feels like it's gonna break anytime. So this one is useless. I feel you either give a pump or you just give it like without it. I think that's better, because this is not helpful. At least for me, it's not helpful. And any which way, I'm not going to apply it like this and again dip it back, so that I don't want to spread all those bacteria on my face. And I'm currently wearing this shade only on my face, so you can tell me that if you like it or not, or something like that, or if I'm looking okay or not, because personally I thought it's looking good and it has covered a lot of my blemishes. I was not expecting much, to be honest. Even after seeing the reviews, I was like a little bit skeptical, should I buy this or not, because every time I bought Lakme foundation, I always had bad experience. So yes, this was a good experience for the very first time. Okay, so now moving on, I'll be getting my black box, this Nykaa luxury store, luxury products. Okay. Now it comes in a very, very fancy packaging. Okay, like it comes with a lot of things. Like they give you this card like this, and I got two of them because I had another one in the past. So yeah, I've kept for the video only. I'm going to trash this away today. So yeah, they give this kind of a card, and they give a pouch, and this, that, and a lot of things happening. Okay, so now this one, I got some products from Smashbox. Now I won't say, when it comes to luxury products, they really don't give much sale or much discount. You can't expect 2700 MAC foundation will be available to you at 1700. That's not possible. That never happens. That's why they're like luxury products or something like that. So now the thing that happens with these luxury products is that when you buy things of certain amount, like if you're buying things worth rupees 1299 or 1399, they give you some free samples. So the same thing happened here. I bought two products. One of this are this two lipsticks, two mini matte lipsticks. This is in the shade Bossy, this red one, and this one is Gulab-Bay. So this one is a Smashbox collaboration with Shobhita Dhulipala. So I really wanted to try their lipsticks, and I have tried it, and they're really awesome. I mean, They are for 990 rupees for two, and they're really awesome. I should say, I like after wearing this lipstick, trust me, I rode like 100 kilometers in bike, and after that I ate, I did everything, but this was still there, like ekdam bilkul, it was stuck, it was not even going, it was so committed to my lips, like my lips and this lipstick had the perfect relationship. I loved it, and it does not feel like you are having anything on your lips. It's so smooth and silky texture. It feels very good on your lips. So you should, definitely give it a try. And another thing that I got is this makeup fixing primer water. This one was also for 990 rupees for 30 ml product, and this one was for 990 rupees, I'm sure. Ooh, oh, I just skipped a heart attack, because if this would have fallen and this would have broken, I don't know. No way. Okay, so yeah, this is a primer water, and guys, this is amazing. I mean, awesome. I really don't want to say anything much about it, because of course it's 990 rupees for 30 ml product. It has to be awesome. So yeah, obviously it was for 990 rupees, and it has to be awesome. Okay, now I got these two products, so I think they were giving an offer, like if you buy products worth rupees 1299 or 1999, you will get three miniature samples free. So yes, I got 3 samples as well. First is this same primer water, the smaller, this is a 5 ml thing, so 5 ml quantity thing. Okay, 5 ml quantity of product. So yeah, this one is one, and second is this primerizer, that is primer plus moisturizer in one. This is very small, very small. What's the amount? I don't know. This is going to be like less than, I think, 3 ml or something like that. I've really not tried this one out, so I don't know how is it. And the next is this Smashbox The Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Okay, I'm going to buy a big file of this one. I really love it. Like, it blurs out your pores and everything so smoothly, and you won't feel, you will touch and you will feel, is this my skin? Like, if you have large pores or something, like me, I suffer from large pores and everything. If you have something like that and if you apply this foundation, it's just so smooth. You feel like that you have that Korean skin. Okay. So, and obviously the foundation sits very very nicely on your skin. So yeah, I'm going to buy a big file of this one when I finish this one. Okay, so that was pretty much my shopping from Nykaa, like on their Pink Friday sale. And yeah, I will be coming with my new video next week. And please, if you have any suggestions for me, like what topic should and on what topic should I make my video, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you have also shopped from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, let me know in the comment section what all things you bought and how is your experience, so that I might try a few products from there and give my review. So till then, please stay safe, take care of yourself. I'll be seeing you soon on my next video. Bye. Love you all.